Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Huntington Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Huntington Bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on search bar, click over there and type in the address huntington.com and you don't enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Huntington like this, guys. Now in order to log into your Huntington account, you can see over here it says the personal and business. In order to log into your account, you'll be required to enter your username over here at the right side of the web page. Let's enter our username, and after that enter the password which you want to, guys. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can see there is a forgot username and password button available for us. If you click on either of these buttons, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Huntington Bank account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Huntington Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.